We're doing it on Omega. This is episode 383, part 1. What am I using again? DRYTRON versus Phantom Knight Burning Abyss, aka PK Fire. Here we go. So he goes first. Tour guide, and then that guy. Okay. And then, okay. Ooh, I don't really know these cards here. What the heck is happening? Is it this guy's effect? I think so. This is still pretty fast. Why does this look kind of... Okay. Looks weird. Oh shit, what am I doing? Attach to and then effect. What? I don't really know what the hell's going on here. Sword. And right here, yeah, he got me big time. I had all spells and then he got me. I should have just scooped, but I wanted to see what he could do. Fuck, that was so quick. Break sword. And then Rusty's effect. It's gonna pop that. Because the NEXUS monster, special summon to its zone. Okay. What the f... What's that? One card you control. Oh, so it popped itself. Okay. Strategy can target 2 Phantom Knights. Okay. Ooh, Dark Rebellion, NEXUS Dragon. Phantom Knights rank up Magic Force. Attack with Rusty. And then Apo. And Dark Rebellion, and it was over from here. I tried, you know, Alpha negated by Avalosa, Zeta negated, and set my spells. I can't activate it because anti-spell fragrance. You gotta set it first. Okay. Dark Requiem? I can't even pronounce that. And it was an NEXUS monster with special summon to a zone. Rusty zone popping. Oh, god dang it. Part 2. I came back. Right here, I full comboed him. Let's go, full combo. Emergency Alpha. Alpha Zeta. This is still the old ban list, by the way, because it's like almost there. Zeta Benton, Zeta add Ritual, Benton add Diviner. Diviner activate effect. Can we slow this down just a little bit? Arc Light, Ultimateness, Beta, Sending Gamma, Medium DRYTRON, Ultimateness, Medium DRYTRON, decrease attack by 1000, attack from grave, activate, detach from a beta, Benton, Beatrice in defense, activate effect, detach, Diviner, send Eva to the grave, Eva's effect, banish those two to get those two. Oh, I could just right click, it'll pause anywhere. Gamma, tribute, special, both. Verte, Anaconda, copyright as fusion. Yugioh Shogun. Red Eyes, Dark Dragoon. Here's where I screwed up, I think. Yeah, I was supposed to pop Verte's effect, but I forgot. Supposed to negate and gain, but I just negated that. I was gonna do the snake. Chained it with Beatrice, sending. What did I send? Oh, I detached Benton. Send Eva. Negate Eva. Banishing. I think it was these two. Negated. Negated. The fuck? Fogblade comes back. Monster Reborn. Negated. And he just scooped from there. Right there. Round 3. Round 3. Duel. He goes first. Yeah, he bricked. Okay. I sighted in the duster. Dusted. Oh, dimensional barrier. He called. What did he call again? He called ritual. So I can ritual. That's okay. Zeta Gamma. Add Medionis. Gamma tribute Zeta. Bring him back. But for Verte. Goon pop and burn. Attack 35. Set droplet. Fog blade, okay. A cloak. A set. I'm gonna go for a Cherubini. I'm gonna dump Graph. But then what? Who dumped Graph? I have no idea what the hell happened there. And Graph's effect, he was and he just ended his turn. Fogblade, sure. I was debating to negate this one. Goon pop. And yeah, here we go. Zeta Zeta, get the ritual, decrease, Gamma Zeta, we'll bet a Fafnir, effect, dump, Draconids, Meteor's DRYTRON, Draconids attach from Ubeda, and finish them off with Meteor's DRYTRON, Meteor's Draconids, finish. Jeez. Let's see if he has attack. Oh, he does. He does have attack. Cool. So this is 383. His name was just Duelist with no picture. So, okay, he does have attack. That's cool. Let's go online. I was at 1515 before, 1535. We're at 194, 197. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Oh crap, we gotta check out his deck here. What is that? 383? 383. I gotta delete all these. 383. Come on, what does he have? He has a 46 card deck, so here we go. Oh. I wonder why he bricked 46 cards. What? Comment, share, like if you subbed it, if you liked it. See you guys.